That's my boy.
You gotta swing my way, but don't believe the hype, babe. I'm always shady, so don't believe the hype, babe.
I've been blowing through the money like it growing trees. I've been on a French, de la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Wait, I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This fly by getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon.
Cross shoot from anywhere like you Ray Allen.
Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Got a fur on the tab, but got me burning up. Shorty since she graduated, she ain't learning enough. Play the album track 1, okay, I heard enough. Girl, the driver downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new sticky, wanna dirty up. Touchdown in NY, tear the Mercer up. Hey, Bo take a shades with a great sense. Introduce me to a yeah, makes sense. Gotta put her on the team, got a great bench. Linking with the ops, I did that for Jay Prince. I did it for the Maltese. Feel like 17, 2 perks, frog eyes. And I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'm
Mic
hit
check
them up
1, 2,
one
bitch.
time.
How you guys? Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. My name is Leah, if you are new here. And if you're not new, what's up, bitch? So, I just got off work. This is my other job. And here y'all go right there right next to me. Yeah, I don't play no games about y'all. So, yeah. I'm in a good ass mood because today, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I got a little crush on my team lead, y'all. Don't tell him I told y'all it. Yeah. I like his voice and it turned me on. And today he called me his rock star. Yeah. Me and Cesar, we got a connection. And I don't like when I hop into the Zoom to get help with a question and somebody else is getting help with a question and they be yelling at him. Because people be having a little attitude with Cesar. And I'm going to tell y'all why they have attitude with Cesar. Because you can ask him a question and he going to give you the answer, but he give you like a little hint, like a little... He don't give you like the full answer. He give you like just enough for you to like use your deductive reasoning and like your common sense to like take this and fly. And only the real know. Today was a decent day at work. I had a lot of technical difficulties though, so I chilled a lot because they had to fix my stuff. But all in all, it was a good day at work. So now I'm about to go to the gym because baby, I was looking at some footage from like 2 months ago and myself now, and I see a difference. I see a difference. So we gotta keep going. We gotta keep going. I've been listening to Candyman album. I love Candyman, but I'm not gonna lie, her newest album, I haven't really got into it. But last night when I was cooking dinner, I was getting into it. I was like, you know what I'm saying? Girl, I'm gonna break your back. That's how I felt. So yeah, we finna get ready to go to the gym, work out. I probably got maybe a 45-minute window before Mari get back, so I'm gonna do what needs to be done while I can. Yeah, I'm real pumped too. I'm happy. Let me get my pre-workout going, y'all. I'm telling you, I told y'all in my past vlog, this is the best Celsius. It's gonna get you right. So yeah, I'm finna pop me one of these. And what I like about Celsius, I can like, I'm gonna open this tonight, but I'm not gonna drink all of it. I just drink just enough to get me right for the gym, and then I put it back in the refrigerator and I'll drink the other half tomorrow. And it's been just a great day. I got a free gram today. Okay, like I'm gonna tell y'all how my plug is. Y'all ready? So when you recommend somebody and they join the Telegram, you get a free gram. That's my boy. So it's been a good day. Good day. Gonna have a good workout. I feel good. I'm just scared because the night I went out, okay, I got my hair reflat iron, right? I'm scared to go work out and mess it up again. Cause I don't think, I worked out while my hair was messed up because I'm like, well shit, my hair messed up so I can go work out now. But I don't know what to necessarily do with this now that it's not messed up. But I was watching some TikTok. I went on TikTok and looked up some methods, so I'm gonna try one tonight. But girl, I'm scared because my hair is like, it's getting a little poofy, but I like it at this state. Like, it's nice, it's full to me, you know what I'm saying? It's not too flowy. I actually like it like this. I've been tucking it behind my ear because this part got a little, that's cute too, but this part got a little wavy with my wrap, so I just tucked it behind my ear while I was at work. But yeah, okay, enough talking because I really don't have that much time. Like I said, I got a window before my baby come back, so. And I got off an hour later today too. when I check my schedule, like the rest of my schedule is normal. But tonight I got off an hour later, so I'm like, what's that about? But what we're not gonna do is complain about money. Okay, we're not gonna do that because Christmas is coming up. Have y'all bought anybody anything? Child. So this is what we got, y'all. We got, I don't know if y'all can see, we got a claw clip and a hairband. They say the secret to keeping your silk press leave out, and I've been knew this part, the edges is you have to leave this on until it dries. That's the secret. I've been knew that because I wear leave out. I'm a quick weave girl, but I'm talking about this part back here because my head sweats. So, but they say you have to leave it up off of your neck until everything's dry. You took your shower and your scalp and hair is completely dry, and that's when you take it down from this. So I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see. I don't know if I should put my bonnet on or not. Should I put my bonnet on? I feel like this should be enough, right? Oh, brother, this is too much. But yeah, let's go to the gym. I'm kind of scared to bring y'all because this is my first time going to be recording in the gym, but it's Vlogmas, so everything is content. So hopefully it's nobody in there, but let's go. We finna go get it in, period.
$1 for every time these niggas hate. I be rich like Jen, yeah. I got rich with baby face. It came up just make a play. And I feel just like Beyonce. Niggas sludge, say my name. I came back down front of no nigga. I bring more smoke to tail again. I'm the GOAT. Don't get front of free throw. Fade away, whipping dope. Make a big shine. You can't say it ain't. I know if I wasn't that great, they wouldn't even be doing shit. Say that shit come with the game. Nigga, I ain't never been no game. I don't even wanna conversate, nigga, lie right to my face. Yeah, I probably under the jail, they know how much crime I did today. Damn, cry, baby V's, using honey, wipe it away. I don't got change for 20, nigga, 20 ain't nothing but change. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of giving niggas game, I'm shopping,
Hey y'all, so I'm back from the gym. I had a great workout. I can't take this off because my hair is not dry yet, but if y'all can see these, my roots a little bit, and I mean, it feel like this part, I can't see it. My hair is so short now. That is crazy. Look, I really used to have like a bun. Now that shit is nothing. That shit is literally nothing. So I guess I'll see what it's like. I'm gonna wrap it up tonight too, but if you can see like these little hairs, you know, they're still pretty straight. And I'm sure once I wrap it tonight and put it in my bonnet, let it cook, it'll be fine. I just don't know what the edges look like. But that's what they say, you have to leave this on and compressed until it dries. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I had a real good workout. I did a full body, bitch. My birthday next month, we can't be playing. That gave me motivation to keep going because last week, girl, I was so unmotivated. One, I was sick. Like I was sick in my feelings, deep as fuck in my feelings. Like, girl, what day was that? Saturday? I cried 3 times Saturday. Like hell, and I'm not even on my period. That's how I know I'm really going through it. But you know, that's just the growing pains, that's the healing pain. And once you cry, like once I was crying, I was like, yeah, I'm healing, girl, I'm healing. Oh, I'm a mess. But yes, that's the truth. But yeah, I'm good though. Well, I'm good. I feel like this weekend is gonna be a little tough, but it's okay. We're gonna get through it. But yeah, so I'm finna go take a shower. I'm hungry as hell. This is the thing, like I be so conflicted on what to eat because I be so hungry once I get out the gym, but it's like I don't want to eat nothing because I feel like I'm reversing all my work. But that's not true. So I got some steak in there, but they're like strips of steak, like for stir fry. So I might make me like a little stir fry tonight, you know, nothing too major. I might do that because I was supposed to cook that last night, but I did not feel like it, boo. I did not feel like it at all. I just wanted me a quick little dinner, so I made that bag of Alfredo. But I'm not gonna lie, the Zatarain's like frozen pastas are really good. You put them in a pot, let it cook, add your own little seasonings. I put me a little Parmesan cheese on the top of my like plate, like once I was done. Really good. Get you some bread, some lime, a little vegetable, and it did what needed to be done. Mari liked it. I loved it, and yeah, it was good. So I highly recommend those if you want something quick, or if you got kids and you don't feel like cooking. Highly recommend. Don't you just wish you could like just put your body in the shower, like, and just put it in there for about 5-10 minutes and take it out and you're done, and like you're already clean, instead of having to go in and really do it. Like, I'm sore as hell. But let's get up. Let's take a shower, wash our face, get the vibes right. Yeah, we're gonna come back, I'm gonna cook and probably listen to a podcast as I cook, and then just edit for the rest of the night, because actually Mari is not coming back tonight. I'm kind of sad because I miss my girl. She's not coming back tonight. My mama said she didn't feel like driving. I'm more than sure that was the reason she didn't feel like driving tonight. So she's not coming back tonight. So we got the house to ourselves. So I'm gonna definitely just use that uninterrupted time to finish my video, because I edited quite a bit while I was at work, just in between my calls. But if I go ahead and finish it tonight, I can have it up for y'all by tomorrow.
And I cannot trust you, and I'm forced to let you go. That's what's spreading thin on us too. Hate to see you lose control. Now I must spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-ups, or switching up on everyone who loves you. But that doesn't stop the show. I think you should know that, baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs any attention is you don't need. Sometimes it, hope you don't understand, was the only thing that could keep me from leaving. Baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs any attention is you don't need. Sometimes it, hope you don't understand, was the only thing that could keep me from leaving. I'm meant to wonder how I let this go under. How I could watch it rain for so long, it ain't hit no thunder. How we let all our Hollywood dreams and then a blunder. I may never see you again. I hate when the summer ends, but it always would. And you'd always be disappointed, cause you're insecure, chasing things you thought you wanted, like you thought you could. Just get further away from it, and if Hollywood is home, now it's just a house that is haunted, where I spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-ups. You're switching up on everyone who loves you, but that doesn't stop my show. I think you should know that, baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs any attention is you don't need. So conceited, hope you don't understand, was the only thing that could keep me from leaving. Baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs any attention is you.
So I took my hair from out of the little thing I had it in, the claw clip, with the headband, and my edges still seem to be, can you guys see, seem to be pretty still okay. I feel like it's not as straight as it probably was, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. Like, the hair still flowy, still cool. I got the little dent in my head since I put it in the claw clip, so I have to deal with that. But other than that, it's not too bad. It's not looking how I was that night I came from the club. Yeah, it ain't looking like that. So yeah, not bad. So what I'm gonna do, I'm about to wrap it up so it can probably get back to a good shape that I want it to be in. And like I've been saying, let my shit cook in the bonnet. Cause I swear, when you take the hair out the bonnet, it'd be like, everything be like new. Even when I slept, even when I got rained on, when I like wrapped it up that night and put it in the bonnet, it still was puffy, don't get me wrong, but it was like nothing to like flat iron it and get it back straight. Like, it was cool. So yeah, I haven't put any product in my hair since Saturday. I haven't put heat on it since Saturday. I've just been chilling and just wrapping it. And I think I even went out, not went out like clubbing, but like went out into society on Sunday and dealt with like the climate, and my hair was cool. So my hair don't really wrap that well because it's just so many different lengths because it's so short, but it do what it need to do. I just need it for the shape, and it gives me what I need in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my bonnet on. Yes, ma'am. So it's time to go eat, y'all. I literally felt my mood getting so bad. Like I was literally about to have like a little breakdown while I was cooking, and I was like, you know what? Let me not think, like, let me not be in my head too much to where I just think myself into just a horrible ass mood. Let me get my thoughts out. But like, I don't really want to talk to nobody about it because all my friends, they've heard it enough. It's like 11 o'clock at night, bitch. Don't nobody want me to call them and talk to them about my damn heartbreak issues. It's so crazy, y'all, because last month I literally was just my man. Not last month. This happened 2 months ago. It's crazy how this breakup happened 2 months ago and I feel it the worst this month. Like, y'all, I don't know what it is, but it's okay. I'm happy that I'm dealing with my emotions and I'm letting it out, and you know, hopefully we'll be better. But yeah, so now I'm about to eat. Oh my god, food looks so good. I already took a bite, but I was like, no, let me go wrap my hair and show you guys how my silk press held up after the gym. And I really I did like maybe an hour workout, so I really did like work out. But yeah, this is my food, y'all. I didn't give y'all a I forgot to do the whole little, I forgot to do the y'all know, showing y'all what it looked like. But this is what it looked like. Real good. The peppers so good, so seasoned. The steak good, rice good. I got hella leftovers for tomorrow because I made me a small serving of it tonight just to get me through of like the steak and the rice. Tried to make a small serving, so yeah, but so good. On the steak, just to add something to it, I use this Texas whiskey glaze from HEB. Y'all know I'm an HEB girl. From HEB, and it was good. Not a lot. It's only 70 calories per serving, so I didn't use too much. But yeah, once it got like within the juices of the steak and everything, it's really good. So yeah, I'm about to eat my little girl dinner. Y'all know this is a girl dinner. Protein, rice, vegetable. That's a girl dinner. And I got my poppy, and I'm about to edit, and then I'm gonna lay down and watch a movie. I've been loving Black Christmas movies on YouTube. I think it's like the OWN network channel on YouTube, like Oprah's. I don't know, I don't be paying attention, but yesterday when I was just scrolling looking at like people Vlogmas, just trying to find people to watch, I think it said OWN network, and a movie came on while I was at work and I had just my TV on in the background. I was like, well, I'm gonna watch that later on when I'm sad. And here we are, sad later on. And that's probably bad. I probably spoke that into existence of me being sad, but I knew, like, I don't know. I woke up feeling away. Then I was having such a good day. When I opened up the vlog, I was like on such a high, but now like the night is winding down. It's like, okay. So yeah, girl. I'm about to watch that. I think it's called like Holiday Heartbreak. I'm gonna let y'all know once I get over there. I think it's called Holiday Heartbreak. Very on brand for me right now. Very on brand.